Alright, so today gonna be a different type of video. My sister locked the keys in the car, so I'm on my way to go get her the other key. And I gotta figure out how to, before I even go anywhere, I gotta figure out how to connect my phone to this doggone car. Cause I don't think I'm connected to this car. But anyway, yeah, we finna go get her, right? So, Lord of mercy. Alright, so I guess I can talk about, like, shit, there's so much to talk about when it comes to trading. I don't even really know where to start. But obviously we're not on our charts right now. We're currently in the car. We gotta go goddamn get my sister these keys. But I think the biggest thing people need to understand is like psychology and honestly just being confident in your trade for real, because outside of that, the actual knowledge part of it is very, very, very small stuff to like really catch on to. Now obviously you can go through and find all these different like strategies and shit like that, but the basic information is just, it's always gonna be the same. You know what I'm saying? That's never gonna change. So the basic information of trading is always gonna be the same shit. So I think what it is that you just have to have confidence in, you know, once you actually do, you know, develop that system or the strategy or whatever works for you. Like after that, you really just have to be confident and know that like, hey, this trade's gonna work out, or even if this trade doesn't work out, you know, I'm not gonna blow my account, or I'm not gonna take a huge loss. I feel like a lot of people well, I can only say that because this is how I came in the game. I was afraid to lose $1, bro. But I kept losing dollars, which is weird because I was scared to lose $1. But every time I went and draw down to $1, I would literally close at $1 every single time. So you just have to not be fucking scared to for one, lose, but you also have to not over leverage. So it's like, it's okay to lose $1, $2 or whatever. You know, have proper risk management, but you just gotta do it, bro. But I'm gonna get deeper into that when I stop driving, and yeah, I'm kind of speak on certain things, kind of just like I said, psychology, and you know what kind of helped me out, because I was very, very like, oh my god, I'm losing money, or oh my god, I'm in drawdown, like, and then it got to the point where I would hold drawdown for days and I'd come out on top, bro. I'm talking about a couple hundred to 1,000, whatever the case may be. So yeah, we'll speak more on that in a little bit here. I kind of don't want to be recording and driving like this, so I'll catch y'all in a second. Okay, I gotta find her. I don't know where she at, but Jesus Christ, bro. Let me see if I can find this girl. These damn horns going off. These people got. Is that my sister? How you? She found me. What happened?
Okay, so I went into Forex because Trent needed a ball to bounce on because she's pregnant and the baby trying to come and all this other stuff. You know, the ball's supposed to help.
Yes.
So I'm helping, and they said they don't blow up the thing. So I was like, okay, cool.
What the fuck?
I came and sat in the car. Mind you, the way my purse is set up, I thought I put it in the car, and I was sitting like this with the door open. That don't fit.
How's all these, bro? I got on camera. The car up there alarm went off. Another car alarm went off. They alarm. What is going on?
And then I'm sitting here minding my business, waiting on you, and I sat over there because I was gonna sit right here. And that nigga gonna walk up to me talking about something. I'm talking about book bag, a cover.
What is happening
look like
out
he
here,
got
bro?
homeless as I don't know what. Talking about some. You fine? Let me get your number. Do you even got a phone? Leave me alone.
What is happening out here?
Then go say something. Let me see how soft your ass is. I said, if you don't get the away from me.
Who said that?
The nigga.
Where the nigga at?
He walked that way. And pretty far because I said I'm finna call my brother and he go, leave me alone. Like, I don't play like that. Then on top of it, he gonna say so. Well, let me get your number. I said my phone off.
Yo.
He said, you playing. Like this. On the phone with Dix. Dix said, yeah, I don't know what's going on.
Bro, what the fuck is...
I was on the phone with Dix and Dix said they'll blow it up if I buy it from them. So I was like, okay, cool. It don't even matter. I'm gonna take that back in there. Went back in there. Come back outside. Looking for keys. I'm like, bro, where are the keys? So I come and I said, please don't send me a lot of keys in the car. Ain't never.
You about as bad as bud. We went to the restaurant. I told him, I was like, go get my hoodie out the car so I can see if they can find me some shoes. He was like, bet. So he go out there, he get the hoodie, he like, I ain't gonna lie, cuz. I was like, what? He's like, we got a problem. I said, what's wrong, bro? He said, I kinda locked the keys in the car. I went to go look for the key. The key looking for me. They sitting on the seat. I said,
I promise you. He's sitting right there. I look, I'm like, oh my God. Then today was the absolute worst thing. Like, bro, I cannot.
That's the one thing I like when I work with Justin. Justin, if you see this video, bro, I miss y'all, man. I don't know where y'all at, what y'all doing. I hope y'all like. But anyway, he would tell us straight up, he was like, if y'all got some customers that treat y'all bad, y'all can tell they had to leave. I really don't care. I was like, bet.
Like, literally, then my manager come back. He said, what happened? So the girl who was really finna bump it out, bro, it was me, my friend Deja, Cam,
somebody
and the
trolling,
17-year-old.
bro.
I swear to you, we said little job, and I said this little job pay for my baby diapers,
Yeah.
my food, all type of stuff. Her little job pay for her rent, and whatever else she want. What you mean little job? You must got a big one. Where you work at?
Right.
And she said, I don't got time for this. So she ran out the stove. Talking about some, when I come back, y'all better duck. I said, you come back over here.
Oh, what?
I said,
what he mad at y'all for? Dude, somebody gotta be trolling. That's the 5th car that done went off. What the fuck? Somebody must got one of them. What them little fidget, not the fidget, what them little, damn, what the things called? It's like a little remote and you can program it to do some shit. If y'all know what the fuck I'm talking about. It's a remote out there. It's a little bitty something. You can program that bitch. What time is it?
2:30.
Okay, I'm about to say I gotta go back to the house before 5. I'm in the US 30 trade. I gotta make sure that shit don't open up and gap down. I'm gonna be fucked.
Man.
Hopefully it open up and gap up.
I told Trent, I said we have a little delay. Cause this was supposed to be an in and out, and I was supposed to have been at home by now. I'm talking about.
Yeah, I was in there sleeping. Mama told me something. Your sister locked the keys in the car. I said.
I called Mama and I said, the keys are in the car. She said, Asia. I'm like, I didn't do it on purpose.
What is happening?
Imani laughing, literally, was finna get kidnapped.
Nah, if he was homeless, you weren't going nowhere. You weren't going nowhere. You weren't going nowhere far anyway.
He was gonna make me walk
shit,
with him.
By the time y'all got somewhere, cops would have got to y'all. For real.
Talking about some. Let me get
what is going on, bro? Unless somebody working out and they keep hitting the button on their keys, but that don't mean that ain't no reason everybody else shit was going on. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get back in the car, bro. I don't know what all these alarms is going off for, but shit's kind of weird. I ain't gonna lie. All right, so as y'all can see, man, a lot of doggone keys in the car, but we got it right, bro. But yeah, y'all just gotta be confident in y'all trades, bro. Also, you gotta get off the internet and get off the internet. Let me put this bitch back in park. Off the internet, start watching everybody's stories and stuff like that. What? Hello? Stop watching everybody's stories. Stop being so stuck on stories and the internet and everything else. Just pay attention to your charts. Pay attention to your markups. And go from there, bro. You know what I mean? But honestly, it's the repetition, bro. The more you do it, the confident you'll get. focus on your strategy or your system, and just don't keep jumping from strategy to strategy, because that's not gonna help you in the long run, bro. I had to learn this shit the hard way. Like, I was constantly jumping from this strategy to that strategy, watching this page, watching that page, giving everything like maybe a week or two, and I'm like, that don't work, whatever, until I finally just stayed on the charts, got off of YouTube, and was strictly focusing on what I could do on the charts. You know what I'm saying? Like, obviously, I learned a whole lot of different things, and I applied a whole lot of different things, but at the end of the day, I didn't start becoming profitable until I stayed on the charts long enough, did back testing, did forward testing, actually took live trades, stuff like that. But you really, it's you just have to block out all that noise. You know what I'm saying? Like, being in hella group chats and asking everybody else's opinion. Like, if you're constantly asking somebody else, hey, what do you think about this? Or, what do you think about that? And if you see a sale, but that person you actually see a buy, like, they buy might not be for the next couple of days, so your sale could still be valid, and vice versa. So you can't always just go off of, what this person say or what that person say. Even if this person, makes more money than you or whatever the case may be with trading, because again, they could still see something completely different from what you're seeing, but that don't necessarily mean that you're wrong. So with all of that being said, like I said, you just got to stay focused on the charts, bro, and not have so much distractions going on, because that's what makes trading kind of like hard for you, is you're constantly on like, hey, this person sees this but I see that, and vice versa. So just got to focus on what you're looking at, and what you're trying to do with your trading, and just go from there, bro. Like, my psychology changed a lot after I got off the internet, simply because I didn't have all those different things in my head, like, oh, this person posting this, but I had this whole markup and they say something completely different. Like, just got to stay away from stuff like that, bro. Like, no matter who it is or what it is you seeing on the internet, bro, you need to stick with whatever it is that you see, because at the end of the day, you seen it for a reason, and you're only going to learn from that, depending on if you win or lose that trade. And the more you do that, and kind of like, get rid of all the bullshit that was going on, it'll get better over time. So, and then there's little stuff you can do on the charts that kind of help. Because me, sometimes if I'm in a buy position, I hate whenever the market pulls back. And it's not necessarily like, oh shit, I'm gonna close my trade, but it's like, I just change all my colors of my candles to the same color. That way, when the pullbacks and shit be happening, it don't matter to me. You know what I'm saying? Because they're all the same color candles. There's no need to freak out, because like, all my candles are white, or all my candles are black, or all my candles are blue. So it's like, it don't matter. I'm seeing obviously it's still pure market structure no matter what, but just going off of that, I know in my mind, like, I'm in an uptrend. I know I'm in an uptrend, so pullback gonna happen. That shouldn't matter, blase. But yeah, bro, y'all just gotta start focusing in and focusing up on what you're doing, bro, and just not try to add everybody else's input into what you're doing. Now, I'm not saying it's bad all the time, but at least don't do it with so many different people, because everybody is going to see the market different, and I do mean everybody. So somebody might be coming in at the bottom of the trend or whatever, and they done already bought at the bottom, and you might see a sale at the top, which won't be invalid, but let's say it's the market's retracing for the next 3 days, but they got in on the buy 2 weeks ago. Obviously, they're going to be bullish even though you're selling. So it's like, to me, positions is very important as well, like where you are in the market. Like, if you come in at gold and somebody bought gold from goddamn 2,500 and you see a sale at 26 something, you know what I'm saying? It's just, it depends on where you are in the market. So like I said, it's not necessarily that you're wrong, it's just they got into that trade earlier on, and so what else can I talk about with that? Really just the social media shit, bro. Like, people be posting hella shit on social media when it comes to trading, like, and it don't even necessarily be like right then and there type shit. It be some old screenshots, or it might be something that they have already did for the week, and they finally, you know, posting their stuff, and it's about to be the end of the week, and they done closed out, or whatever the case may be. Like, it's just, you have to focus, bro. Like, you have to focus on what you're doing and how you trading and stuff like that. You can't keep relying on everything else and everybody else, bro, because let's say you do have like this mentor or somebody or whatever that you following, or that you know, getting trades from, and they just decide to, hey, I'm gonna stop telling y'all what I'm doing, and you're gonna be kind of lost because you've been so dependent on that person's trades or signals or whatever the case may be. All you have to do is focus on the charts yourself. You know, once, especially if you already got the basic information now, just keep going over the basic stuff, and the more you be on the charts, I promise you, the more shit you gonna see. The more you be on the charts, the more shit you gonna see. I see the guy that my sister was talking about too, I think. No, I don't think that's him. But yeah, the more you be on the charts, the more stuff you're gonna see. You'll see a lot of the same things over and over and over. You'll see certain candle patterns and everything, and you'll just be like, damn, I done seen this before. And it'll kind of give you a better idea of where the market could be headed to. So, yeah, cause me, I ain't do nothing special, bro, other than fucking blow accounts back to back to back to back. And then I'd be like, fuck it, I'm not doing this shit no more. And I come back, and then it's like, fuck it, I'm not doing this shit, because it kept happening over. But it wasn't that trading didn't work or it was bullshit. It's just I had a lot of bad habits, bro. And you got to break the bad habits as well, because like I mentioned this before, if you come into this trading space thinking like, oh, I'm gonna become a millionaire with all these bad habits, because whatever you're doing in real life gonna reflect on the charts, bro. Like if you're not consistent in real life, you're not gonna be consistent on the charts. If you're not disciplined in real life, you're not gonna be disciplined on the charts. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta show up every single day and do what you gotta do to make your money, bro. But you have to break all those bad habits, bro. I used to get in the habit of, if my account got under $5, bro, or under $10, I used to be like, man, I can't do nothing with this, and I just jump into random shit, especially after taking a loss. Let's say I grow an account from $20 to $100, and I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna get it to, you know, whatever else, and I get back down to 50, and I just start hopping into random shit, trying to get that money back up, and start losing over and over and over. Stuff that happens in real life, and my mental not where it needs to be, and I try to jump on the charts and trade and do all type of different stuff knowing I shouldn't be on the charts. You just have to figure out yourself as a person, know when you're in a good headspace, know when you're not in a good headspace, know when and when not to trade. And like I said, you gotta change and break all those bad habits, bro. Cause I used to do a whole bunch of dumb shit, bro. Like I used to just jump in at random times, used to try to trade random ass pairs that I don't know nothing about, over leverage at the worst fucking times, because over leveraging is not, I wouldn't say it's a bad thing if you know how to trade. Like if you got a good amount of money in your account, and I'm not saying full margin, over leveraging is like using a higher lot than you're supposed to, not like multiple times full margin in your account, but just the fact that you're using a higher lot size. So you just have to, like I said, break those bad habits, bro. I used to hop in trades with random ass lot sizes, hop in trades at random ass times of the day, didn't have no certain session that I would trade. I just jump in shit just to be into shit, just to say, okay, I'm a trader, or I'm trading. Like, I wouldn't have no set nothing, bro. I would just be in shit just because, like, the market open, I'm just hopping in shit because I always market open. I'm gonna try to make this money, like, and it's crazy because when I was doing that, you know, I didn't care if I was, you know, working a job, if I blew the account or not. Like, I really just didn't care about none of that. I was just, it would be market open, and I'd be like, bet, I'm gonna trade. And I wouldn't do no analysis or nothing. I'd just be, like I said, jumping in shit, hoping to make some money, and that is not the way to do it, bro. Like, you need to have a system set up for you. You need to have a session that you're gonna trade. You need to do the same thing over and over and over and over until that shit finally works for you. Like, if you've been trying a certain strategy and it don't work, it's okay to switch it to something that's gonna work, but don't change the end goal of it. Just switch up the strategy until you find something that's gonna be more profitable for you. But you gotta give that shit time to work. Like, if you've been going 6 months to a year and that shit still ain't working, switch it up. You know what I'm saying? But if you've been going 3 days and it don't work, bro, there's not enough time, bro. There's not enough time at all. And you need to, you know, stop trying to rush the process. So, I know I've kind of been all over the place, but yeah, like, my psychology it's gotten a lot better once I got off the internet and stopped caring so much about, oh, this person making this much money, or oh, this person making that much money, or oh my God, they just made 200,000 off of US 30, and I don't even trade US 30 like that. I'm trading it now, But in the beginning, I wasn't trading it like that. I was trading regular currency pairs, and it's like I'm gonna get better at trading regular currency pairs and get better with, you know, all the bad habits that I had, and then I start back trading indices because I know how to trade them, but my trading habits was so bad, bro. Like any small inconvenience, I would just go crazy about it. In real life, I'm upset. In real life, I'm angry at myself, and I'm questioning, damn, I done lost this amount of money, and why do I keep doing the same shit? And it's like, trading ain't no bullshit. Trading ain't hard. It's just you have to get over all the bad things that you are doing when it comes to trading in order to become a better trader, because trading honestly is going to help you in so many different aspects in life. It ain't just going to help you financially, but that shit is going to change you as a person in general, because you have to change who you are, especially if you like not so good of a person. And I mean like just being, you know, getting up every day on time and doing the shit you're supposed to be doing, and, you know, just being, like I said, consistent and disciplined about certain things, because trading, you have to be all of those things all the time. You know what I'm saying? You can't come in trading one week like, oh yeah, I'm disciplined, I'm consistent, and, you know, I'm doing this, that, and the third, and then, you know, the rest of the time you're like, okay, well, I can half-ass, or I can, you know, I can bullshit around this week, or, you know, I ain't got to do this time. Like, you need to honestly be doing the same exact thing every single time you get on those charts, bro. And then you'll start to see that this starts to play out in your real life. Like, you'll be like, okay, I'm more consistent with eating the right things, or I'm more consistent with, you know, other stuff like posting to YouTube, or going to the gym and working out, or just, you know, just being consistent overall. But yeah, you just have to like, you just get rid of all the extra shit, get rid of all the noise, bro. Just get rid of it. So all the group chats you in, mute them. All the people you watching on Instagram and all the big traders dropping fucking, I'm in a new Lamborghini, or I just bought a penthouse, I just made $1 million, I just made 200,000. You try to compare yourself to that, and you only making $200 for the week, or $20 for the day, or whatever the case may be. That is okay, because that one day, all these big traders in the beginning, they was doing the same thing. No, I don't believe nobody came into this shit and made some crazy ass amounts of money. And if they did, they definitely took some crazy ass losses and probably just didn't talk about it. So you have to honestly block out all the noise and just focus strictly on the charts in your life itself, because constantly watching somebody else's life is not going to improve your life. It may motivate you for the time being, but it'll get to the point to where you may start feeling like, damn, why I can't have that, or damn, why I can't live like that, or why I'm not making that amount of money. You're not focused on what you need to be doing. You're so focused on what these people are posting and, you know, stuff like that. Because it done got to the point to where I don't know what no big trader doing no more, unless I see something on YouTube. God, I'm not on social media no more. I'm not on Instagram. I'm not on Twitters. I don't see nothing. Unless somebody posting some shit on TikTok, and I don't follow no traders on TikTok like that. So I'm not seeing shit like that. But you have to focus up on what you got going on, bro, and putting in that work up until you're able to be like, okay, well, I done made, you know, 1,000 a day, or I done made 2,000 a day, or I done made 10,000 for the week, or, you know, whatever your goal is. Focus on that until that shit becomes normal, bro. And like I said, the more you do the same thing every day, you'll start to be more disciplined. You start to be more consistent, and it'll help you out in the long run, bro. I'm telling you, trading is going to do so much more for you than just give you money, bro. You're not gonna believe it. The person I was before I started trading, oh my God, y'all will be surprised at who I am today, bro. Like, my patience, dude, my patience is on a whole nother level, bro. People don't come to me all the time like, I don't see how you do it, bro. Like, my patience in real life is on a whole nother level, all because I have to be patient on the charts, bro. That was a big problem for me too. I used to not fucking wait. I used to jump in shit like, oh, I don't want to miss this move, or I'm gonna go ahead and get in. Like, I just did a whole lot of dumb shit just because I didn't want to wait, bro. All because I didn't want to wait, bro. And that shit showed, and I fucking lost back to back to back because of that shit. I lost, bro, over and over and over again, all because I just wanted to be in the fucking charts, bro. Wanted to be in some trades. I just wanted to do the shit. Like, I didn't care about nothing. Like, I didn't have stop losses on my trades. I didn't have take profits on my trades. I just hop in shit. I'm constantly getting into trades with hella entries. Like, it was bad, bro. It was bad, bro. So I just want y'all to understand that, man. Like, Y'all just gotta be locked in on y'all own, bro. Like, you have to be locked in. Because if you're not locked in, you're gonna get locked out, buddy. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and go in here and get me something to drink, get me something to eat. And I'm gonna catch y'all later, man.